June 1984, Operation Blue Star. Was the operation well planned and well executed? Did the army misjudge the situation? Find out in our special series, Operation Blue Star, The Untold Story.
Deep inside each of us rests a divine silence, and tapping at that melody is what could be something of spirituality within us. Some such melody was struck on Friday at the Chandigarh Press Club, which saw Sahar Harchalu, an Iranian spiritual mystic, float some notes on the cosmic law of attraction that taps the strength within us. Her simple message: challenge the daily stress, declutter the mind, and live in peace.
Human beings, usually we are in the 4th or 5th level. Okay, so we want to reach to the 10th level, right? But it's very difficult. Till 4th level, everyone comes easily. Beyond that is because we become so used to the materialistic world. We want to earn, we want to become better. There is jealousy, there is negativity, there are all those things, right? So after the 4th or 5th level, it is really difficult for us to actually go to the next level, right? So we keep having too many birds to actually cover just one level. So if you can say like that, see, for me, God is the pure soul, is the ultimate. It is the only source for everything. And for me, my soul journey is about becoming one with Him. Obviously, I will not become one with Him after this birth. I have to learn a lot, but at least I can try to become better.
Sahar says the essence of spirituality is in balancing the modern day living and the heavy challenges that come along with the innate spirituality in us. The idea, she says, is to enlighten us spiritually so that such challenges do not overpower us.
We have different type of things. We have, I think the basic anyone can start with is maybe they can do guided meditations, maybe they can do chakra balancing exercises, they can do, the breathing exercises with yoga, because these are, first we need to manifest everything on our body, right? Soul comes later, because soul is a lot deeper. For us to reach there, first we need to purify our aura and our chakras and our body, and we have a balanced mind. Once we have a balanced mind and we know what is our soul journey, then only we can go after that. Okay, so maybe meditation techniques would be good. Maybe these yoga exercises, the breathing exercises. There's something called chakra dance, or maybe someone can go a little further. There are courses like Reiki. You can learn that. You can learn pranic healing, which gives you further more knowledge and information and insight to the world of spirituality and healing.
Sahar plans to hold a workshop in Chandigarh aimed at teaching how to focus on decluttering the mind, chakra balancing, positive thinking, wishing right for faster results, and much more.
I'll be having it in Chandigarh. I'll announce exactly which place, but these are workshops that the very limited number of people can come. It's not like a seminar or a conference, because there would be a lot of discussion, there would be some exercises, there would be practical writing and all those things. I suggest if anyone wants to join, maybe can email me or write to me by the 15th of June. It's energyhealingbliss@gmail.com.
Maybe in a world ridden by mental, emotional and physical chaos, we could do with such a workshop, slated to be held later this summer. Till then, we can begin with just being, without the pressures of proving. With camera person Shravan Kumar for Payal Sharma, Balpreet Day and Night News, Chandigarh.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।